Sobrang ganda nun.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard.
Hey guys, today we are here at the Monarch Hotel Pangasinan, Calasiao, Pangasinan, because I'll be hosting BPI's event. It's called BPI Upfront Pangasinan. It's for their clients from Pangasinan and La Union. So this is my second event with BPI and I'm really excited. Also, staycation vlog na rin siya because I booked a room here in the Monarch. So I'm gonna do a room tour later and also show you the amenities and then yung mga pwedeng kainan and all that. So yeah, join me in this vlog.
There must be something about a feature.
Outfit check. I'm wearing a white dress and a red coat because white and red BPIs.
Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper.
Welcome to BPI Upfront Pangasinan. Hello, my name is Anne Christine. Today's session gives an exclusive look at services designed to help you sustain growth and elevate your employee and business operations. To officially open our program, it is my honor to introduce a leader whose expertise has brought prosperous growth here in North Luzon. Let's all welcome Mr. J.M. Sanko.
I shouldn't rush things, you know I know that. But it's kinda hard when it's something that I want so bad. I'm second guessing what I was sure of. You're secretly inside of dying, emotionally violent. So tell me what the hell am I doing? I don't know. 'Cause when we want it too much, we lose it so fast. What you try to control never seems to last. And it feels criminal, hypocritical. But I can change it, the way I'm feeling. I just pretend like I don't even really see it. Yeah, it's all good now, what about forever? Secretly inside I'm dying, emotionally violent. So tell me what the hell am I doing? I don't know. 'Cause when we want it too much, we lose it so fast. What you try to control never seems to last. And it feels criminal, hypocritical. When I made up my mind, I lose it like that.
Yung orty mo. Hey guys, so we are ending our day from pagpapakulot natin kanina sa coffee shop sa Pampanga and paghatid dun sundo kay Lala sa school to going to Pangasinan and hosting BPI's event to having dinner, and now we're finally ending the day. And I'm wearing this sleepwear I got from Thrift and Style. If you watch my Quran vlog, you would know na meron akong 5 variations nito. And this is a braless sleepwear, meaning you don't need a bra whenever you wear it. Which is good kasi diba pag nakapantulog na tayo, ayaw na natin na nakabra, and then pag bagong gising, ayaw natin na nakabra, and then magkukuha tayo ng parcel sa yung mga pinag-order natin kung saan-saan. Biglang tayo magbabra, but with this, no need, diba? So yeah, I like it a lot. So magsiswim kami sa pool tomorrow, and I'm gonna shoot yung pinadala sa akin ni Digital Walker na Marshall Middleton 2 speaker. Sobrang ganda nun. So isushoot ko siya dyan by the pool because ano naman siya, splash proof naman siya. So there. See you tomorrow. Dito sa likod, I have the Sangli Garden. It's quite big. And over there is actually the pool na. Guys, here pala sa likod is meron pa silang convention center or convention area aside pa dun sa kung saan tayo nag-event kahapon. Parang more of pocket meeting rooms lang yung mga yun.
Tie-dye bandana, Monterey to Montana, and a hand at the window, windsurfing away. Oh, one of these days, wish I could get her to stay. She's out there now, can't tie her down, can't count what I'd give to